This is your Data Science Minute, and I'd like to share how I run my data science team meetings. I've been lucky to work with some really talented data scientists, so my goals are to stay out of their way, coach when needed, and remove roadblocks that impedes their progress. I run 2 meetings. The first one is a weekly technical touch point, usually on a Monday. I am the top manager that attends that meeting. Nobody above me attends. Nothing that is said in that meeting leaves that meeting. It frees up my data scientists to ask different questions, maybe some silly questions, but we can rely on each other's knowledge to kick ideas back and forth and fine-tune the scientific method and the scientific process that we are applying. It's also on me to know what they're already working on. So it's a little bit of a reverse stand-up where I tell them where I think they are in their progress, and they can confirm that or they can guide me on where they actually are. In other words, nobody feels the pressure to be called on and kind of feels that anxiety like it's a daily stand-up. And finally, we all respect each other as data science colleagues, so we all ask questions and we all kind of cross-pollinate the different projects that we're working on. The second type of meeting I run with my teams is actually a one-on-one meeting. That's a monthly meeting where I have no agenda for the meeting. I sit down with them one-on-one and we can talk about anything they'd like. Sometimes we talk about their families, their careers, maybe some pressures that they're going through, some personal interests that they have. It's really a way for me to get to know them and them to get to know me and help me develop a more empathy and become and lead with a little bit more emotional intelligence. So these are the 2 meetings that I have found to be beneficial. It still frees my staff up to be able to work without feeling like they're bogged down with their schedule. And if you'd like more data science leadership content, please click on like and follow below.